So just going to show you real quick how to reset the maintenance light on a 2008 Lexus RX350. Go ahead and put the key in the ignition, turn it to the on position. Over here you have a audio and trip button. So you're going to click on that till you get to your main mileage. That way we don't reset any of the trip A or trip B's. So on your main mileage, shut the car back off. And then when you're gonna hold down this audio and trip button as you turn the ignition on, which will start a countdown on the dash. I'll show you just a second. So hold down the trip button and then turn the ignition on. Give me one sec. Don't turn the car on, just turn the ignition on, and you'll see it come up. It'll start flashing and counting down, and then it'll reset to zeros, and then your maintenance light goes off. You're all good to go.